Hello, today in this video we will be unboxing this USB-C to 3.5 millimeter nylon adapter. Alright, let's see. So there's information about the package, about the product. Let's turn to the back. Scan with red transparency app. And there's a bit more information. It's 0.6 feet. It's gray, made in China, new. This package uses degradable materials for environmental protection. Let's go ahead and start peeling it off. It's not as easy as it seems with one hand. In the package, so we get a little information or user guide. Alright, set that to the side. Okay, we got the cable itself. Let's see what else we got. One second. Let's set this aside. And here is the cable itself. Alright, so here is the USB Type-C tip. And hi-fi audio, 3.5 millimeters. So the reason I purchased this is to add functionality to my Note 20. That's pretty much it. I do have a couple headphones that are using the 3.5 millimeter connector to connect to your phone. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want to see more videos regarding this product or a review, just let me know in the comments. Leave a like. If you're gonna dislike the video, please let me know why. That way future videos can be better. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.